how to get emotes in Roblox. So what we want to do is click on the menu icon here, and then we are going to go to avatar. Now from here, if I zoom out a little bit, you will see animations, and once we hover over it, you will see emotes. Now you will have these 7 emotes by default, so you will get them for free. And if you want to get new ones, you can see right here that you can purchase them. So from the recommended tab, we're going to click on CO, and this is going to take us to the marketplace with a list of all of the emotes that we can purchase. Now, so they vary in price. So some cost 50. You can see that they go up to 100 something Robux, even 300 for the different emotes. But basically, you will purchase them like any other, piece of clothing or item on Roblox. So you will just buy them, and that's how you do it. Hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.